So we thought we'd bring Noah, because he comes from Wiltshire and he knows Stonehenge, so we thought we'd bring him to Woodhenge in Dorset. So we're here to just check out the wooden henge. At a place called Worthmatravers, and we're just heading up to our camping spot tonight. So we're back in the tent this weekend, and it's pretty darn hot up here, absolutely roasting. All right, now Noah's exploring under the bits of chunks of wood that have peeled off the bark. I've just come down. There's an old on the side of it says auxiliary fire service. This vehicle is the property of the Home Office, so it's a real old school thing. Look at this, what a gem. Parked up out on the top of the Purbecks. Wow, what a view this old beauty's got. Just have a quick look inside. Look at the cobwebs in there. Wow, look at that. Yeah, so we've just rocked up at the campsite. Caroline's on foot. We've just been in to see Greg, and he's give us a little map of the campsite. And so Caroline's going to walk up to the pitch, and basically we're just going to drive up. Got no in the passenger seat, and so he's navigator now. So it's a bit rough, a bit all-terrain up here now. Look at this, look at this, a bit all-terrain. But
I don't know because I can't see it.
It's a bit very bright. Crikey, I've never. Well, it's empty up here. That's a big portion of it empty, which is always nice.
Oh, I remember where we are now.
There you go. So this is our camping spot tonight, down here somewhere, pitch 20. Right, there's Caroline. So it's up.
Oh, you got it quick.
20. We're there now. Oh my God. Come back here. Oh, my airbred mattress. Bad enough last week of actually forgetting them, but the airbreds are going up. But it's just getting them out of the bags. They haven't been out for a while. Yeah, so what we were going to do from the campsite, we initially was thinking about walking out the Dancing Ledge from the camping, but it is absolutely sweltering down here today. Out on the Purbecks, it is so hot, and we were kind of like, it's quite a hike out there. It's probably going to be 2 miles, something like that. I'm really dry now. See, I need a drink. But so I said to Caroline, I've got the car, let's whiz down to Swanage, see if we can get a park on the seafront, and Noah can have a mess around in the water. But check out this today. Look at this today. It is absolutely capacity with people all the way up through. So this water today is looking so blue. All the boats on there. So I've just paid £2.50 for an hour, so it's not bad, and lucky enough I managed to get space, so it's all good. And the camping up there is 12 quid. 12 quid for a night, Tomsfield. How good is that, you know? It's unbelievable. So I'm just having a little whiz around out on this pier sort of thing in the middle of Swanage, and it is absolutely capacity, this beach this afternoon. You've never seen anything like it. There is not much space left on this beach. But everybody seems to have been having an amazing time. There is paddle boards going on, there's people snorkeling, there's the boats out here is just incredible. So nice. And the water, look at the colour of this water. Looks like they've even got the Punch and Judy show on the beach down in Swanage. Wow. So checking out the bandstand. Just going to read the, looks like they have a band actually playing here in the summer. So they do a few random dates. The last one, 20th of August by the looks of it, 2:30 in the afternoon. There you go, there's your chance. There is your chance. The roof. Just a little bit murky today, out right further, but just out on the horizon there I can see the Isle of Wight. You can see the white cliff out on the end by the Needles, I believe this end of the Isle of Wight, so just a little bit murky out on that horizon. But it is so hot down here, so hot. You see Swanage Pier over there on the right hand side. Just noticed this really bright camper van right in the front on here, Stego, and it looks like a rental one. So yeah, even got a name on the door, like Mindy, get on. It's pretty nice. Stego camper van hire co.uk. Nice. What we got there then? A fish pond. Is this your fish pond? He's been building a fish pond there. Oh, loving it. He's actually got some seaweed and everything in there floating around. Here on the beach, putting a little bit more seaweed in there, lovely. Right, where's your fish? Have you caught it yet? No. In the water, oh look at that, it looks lovely, doesn't it? Look, and we've got some little water creatures swimming around in there.
Got the king.
Oh, there's the king. He's a different colour. Yeah, so I'm just having a little look around at some of the little bits and pieces they got here at Tomsfield. Got the Sprout and Bean Cafe that's open in the mornings for a bit of breakfast, and this looks like their little dining area. Look. So you just like come in here, it's proper like rustic shed with some plants around. Just real sort of back to basic camping down here, which we are. We got peanuts and beer and a little bit of Sailor Jerry's for later on. Yeah, some things just doesn't change. These bricks have been here on this bench as far long as I can remember. Literally, it's been 40, we've been coming here for like 40 years. Washing up sinks with like little pump action on the floor. Little pump your water out. How good is that? Don't want to waste too much. Coming down by the little shop, so the recycling just hasn't changed. It's just been just like this. This is it. Oh my God, the maps. I don't know when I lost that frying pan, it was probably about 25 years ago, but this is like the mislaid items. The frying pan. Oh yeah. So I've just come into the Tomsfield camp shop, just been having a natter with Greg, and basically if you guys are ever coming up here and forget anything, they got everything. Look, they got guy ropes, and they've got, like last week we forgot our frying pan, and it's all here. Absolutely loads and loads. And we're just saying about remember an old Tom that used to be running the campsite years ago. There's a picture on the wall, so we're just reminiscing a little bit. But I'm just going to swing around and show you, and all the little kids' toys as well. So we used to bring our kids up here, and he's coming here getting little toys for £1, and they just keeps them happy. And this one as well, this old booklet, Walks from Tomsfield Campsite. Where do you get books like that? Where do you get books like that? All the area, all the maps. Yeah, so Greg and Joe have got all the bread here. Look, they got croissants for the morning. There's everything you need. There's everything. I was just saying to Joe earlier, Greg earlier on, that basically if you just rock up here, and they've got like eggs, and they got the bacon in there somewhere, and the mushrooms, and everything you need. Even on a day like today, suntan lotion.
It's a nice top.
Right, we're heading back towards the tent. So we just had a little rip round the camp shop, and looks like Caroline sat outside the tent. Nose up and a little wander around. Let's see what's going on. Barbecues are starting to fire up now. Lovely. Here's Noah. How you getting on, Noah? All right? The greatest thing about camping is finding neighbours.
Oh, yeah, I've got neighbours.
Finding neighbours with a fossil collection in their tent. Absolutely. And so we've just been. These guys have just been showing us what they've their little cache over the few days they've been down on the Jurassic coast. And check this lot out. There's some. So we got some incredible fossils there. We've got like a shell up there, like a. Oh, that's a favourite. Ooh, and I'm loving all these little shells up here as well.
And this one.
And that one there. Look at that. That's amazing. And all these shaped stones. So what was the thing with the shaped stones then?
Mum liked them.
Just like them, like the shape of them. They're round. They're perfectly shaped, like an egg.
Yeah.
Paint them. Do some painting on them or something like that.
Yeah.
Spider crab shell over in the back there. Look at this, look. This is the Jurassic coast in a tent. This is amazing.
Look at this.
Look at that. A little,
Edible crab.
look at that. Yeah. Look at that, we just rock up at a pub and Ricky is outside the pub and basically this pub is so iconic. An iconic pub in Langton Travers. Look at this.
Hello, Noah. Nice to meet you, mate. Archie, come with me, please.
We're just checking out like Saturn on this app.
Got the moon.
And the moon.
And then Jupiter.
My God, this is incredible stuff. This is what like Tom's Field is all about. The stratosphere in this place is just like another level, isn't it?
Great for star spotting, isn't it? You know what I mean? What better place in the world than doing that?
Yeah,
if you're on the other side of the world, so to see you looking down, because we only see the stars in the northern hemisphere that we can see. So in the southern hemisphere, they get to see everything.
So what's happening tonight? There's something, a friend phoned me earlier and said, you've got to look out 12 o'clock tonight.
The peak of the Perseids meteor showers last night and tonight. There's a bit too much cloud around it, though I did see one earlier.
That. Yeah, there's a bit.
Saw a few last night.
Yeah.
So we need to.
Are you on Play or are you on Apple?
So we're on Apple.
Oh, I don't know about the Apple Store. On the Play Store, it's called Stellarium.
Stellarium. Thank you very much for that information. That's incredible. Thank you very much. So we're down at the Sprout and Bean Cafe getting some coffee and a bacon roll. But yeah, it's all looking pretty nice. We're hanging out. There's Noah. Oh my God, all right now. But we're hanging out. Let's have a look inside here. Just hanging around. So mate's just doing our bacon roll. Look at the view we got. There's a little tent up there. It's a really stunning morning again here in Dorset. So we're just hanging around in the old cafe down here and just having a wander around, and there's some real interesting stuff in here. Oh, got a great map over there. We like a good map of Dorset now, don't we? Oh, the Purbeck coastline. Oh, magic. And the good lady in here is just telling us she's doing a few cakes today. She's doing a bit of a function on later. So she's making up some really nice homemade cakes. Look at this. So the beauty of camping is the fact that you can actually take your tortoise with you. Not that it's ours. What do you think about that now?
Sick.
Look at that. That is absolutely awesome, isn't he? Amazing. Look at that. Look at that.
No.
See his little face, look.
He's just smacking me.
That's it. Just put him back in his little camping box. And then the other little one we got here is this one. Look at this bunny.
You can open it.
Look at that. Doesn't he look? Crikey. So these guys are actually in a tent with their rabbits and their tortoises, living the dream. Wow. Yeah, so we've just been up here on the railway, and the guy that we've just been talking to a guy, and he's a proper enthusiast for the railway. Wales Rail, we'll have to have a look at his YouTube channel, but he was just saying that obviously the steam at the moment is all cancelled because of the fire risk, so there's only like diesel trains running, so it was nice to see that little diesel train running past a minute ago. But so we're rendezvousing with Noah's mother and giving the old tranship, and so it's Corfe Castle rendezvous, and we'll be heading back to Devon shortly. We'll catch you later.